Officer, Principal District Municip, Madurai. It is hereby informed that no one is permitted to remain inside the court premises for any reason whatsoever before 8:30 a.m. and after 8 p.m. on the court working days, in accordance with the official memorandum of the Honorable High Court in ROC number 12366-B bar 2016 bar D8 dated 24/2/2018, and any deviation in this regard will be viewed seriously. Sir, this is the mockery of the High Court order. That was 2000. That was pronounced in 2016. All courts in Tirumangalam is suffering from bribery. Please understand that, sir. Please dismiss all the judges in Tirumangalam and make it some fruitful affair, sir. Sir, Mr. High Court Judge, sir, please take it as a petition from the petitioner in IA number 301 of 2019, OS number 30 of 2014. These fellows are giving ex-parte degrees, sir, for bribery. This is the petition grievance from Pachari Yoga International Trust. That is Surendranath Pachari, sir. Please immediately take action on all judges and call me, sir. I'll give you in writing, sir. I am not afraid, sir, of this fraud, cheat, Sri Amman Polymer and others. Please be attentive to arrest the concerned advocate S. Murugadas. Please arrest him for cognizable offences of rent theft. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Please do something, sir, while people are living. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. India Today. You have something new. Supreme Court is shocked over scrapped Section 66A of Information Act that is used in FIRs. As Supreme Court issues notice to the center. Sir, I have a very good comment for this. I have posted about 30 videos on how the law minister, Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad, failed in his tenure of 7 years. In the beginning, he said that Congress has done a great mistake of creating 300 lakh pending cases. And he said that he will reduce the 300 lakh pending cases to nil. And he appointed at least 2,000 courts in India to reduce this 300 lakh pending cases. But you will find, the Law Commission has found, after 5 years of tenure of this Ravi Shankar Prasad, that the 300 lakh pending cases have not been reduced. They found that 294 lakh pending cases are still there after 5 years of tenure of Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad. If you see in Pakistan, Twitter post, they have reduced pending cases of 20 lakhs. That is 2 million pending cases in 1 year. Please see, Mr. India Today. It is not a new thing for Ravi Shankar Prasad. He bluffs so many things to the nation and then he keeps quiet. He says that Twitter post, nobody should post anything in that about him. This is the fate of BJP government. Thank you, Mr. India Today. Why don't you please see my videos and post your comment? Why don't you, Mr. India Today? Please see this video and post some comment to the nation, not to me. Thank you, Mr. India Today.
Parliament is finished, judiciary, it takes 25-30 years to decide a case finally. Is this a judiciary or a joke? And half of the judiciary has become corrupt. I know, I was part of the system. Bureaucracy is largely corrupt. Everything has collapsed in this country. Now then, it is all a empty shell, hollow.
Pachari Yoga International Trust, that is part, certified that this trust upholds the Constitution of India and endeavors to maintain value in the high judicial order in India. Further certified that this trust crushes mischievous forces, destroying the said value in high judicial order in India. Shri Bhagavan Vacha Bandhuhu Atma Atmanaha Tasya Yena Atma Yeva Atmana Jitaha Anatmanaha tu Shatrutve Varteta Atma Shatruvat. Thus it is sarcastically narrated in Bhagavad Gita that we should not be the prisoners of fate. If we nourish hatred in our mind, then that hatred will destroy our own self in the first instance. Thus we should endeavor to uphold the value of High Judicial Order and the Constitution of India. Thus signed by the sole mandate holder, Pachari Yoga International Trust, dated 26th day of January 2020.